kill Elijah Murphy.
Share a new package. Hi guys. Dear Elijah. About to open the sucker up. Gotta get out of here. See if we got a gun in here. Yeah, alright, we're good. I'm not getting invaded today. Let's go. What are you doing?
I've been pulling here for 15 years.
What?
No fire, no shot at me.
Dude, I want shit. What are you doing in my house? I don't know what to do. I'm just gonna have to go for it. Just for this. Let's go.
On track with it. Let's go.
Dang, man. Where'd he go?
Hey!
Oh, crap.
Got him.
Dang. Over. Up, you guys. Hope you liked that video. Just keep watching more videos. That was Nerf War 4, the Assassin. I'm gonna make more soon. Like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that like button with your head, like boom, boom. Hit that subscribe button with your butt, like twerk it. You know what I'm saying? My brother, he's the assassin. The assassin. And just like, comment, subscribe, and Elijah, I'm out. That's all.